Hi, my name is Aisa Rescobillo and I'll be performing range of motion exercises. I'll be performing hyperextension, extension, and flexion. Hyperextension, extension, flexion. And now the rotation. Lateral flexion. Range motion exercises for the shoulder. Flexion, extension, hyperextension, extension, flexion, extension, hyperextension, extension, flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction, abduction,